It's the time to roll up your sleeves and get yourself charged. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalini. You are watching my another session where we are going to learn how to introduce yourself part 2. In my last video, I have shared some strategies or some techniques or methods which are to be adopted before facing a professional front or any sort of interview challenges. So just have the recapitulation what we have done in the previous video, and in my this particular video I will be sharing with you the particular sample answer for in which manner if you are going for a student job profile or if you are having the experience, on the basis of that how you can create your own self introduction very effectively and very smartly. So let's get into the video. Let's proceed further. Before proceeding further, just have the recapitulation what we have done or what we have learned in the previous video, and I will be sharing. If you have not done my previous video, you can watch and you can visit my channel where you are going to learn how to give your introduction or how to introduce yourself part 1, where I have discussed the particular strategies before going for a particular professional front or to face any sort of interview challenges. And you will be very surprised to know that you are going to learn something creative in my next forthcoming video, which is completely based on two particular terms. Like in this modern scenario, each and every person wants to have a too good standard of living and wants to lead a modernized life. So here we will be learning two particular terms, that is metropolitan and cosmopolitan, and it is quite surprising as well as some sort of creative expression you are going to see and creative words you are going to learn. The best of all things is that you are going to learn something new, specific terms. So let's proceed further. I am going to share the link in my description. You can visit my channel and you can watch my previous video which is based on this particular part. This is part 2. You can have a look and you can listen carefully. Definitely you are going to learn something new. Just follow the quick reminder what we have done in the previous or what we have learned in the previous video. First one, the concept of interviewer and interviewee should be clear to you. Interviewer is the person who asks professional questions and who is supposed to get the answers in order to hire that particular person. And if we talk about interviewee is the person who goes at the professional front in order to get a particular job or in order to get any sort of particular internship and all that. Next one, you are supposed to stay or maintain your originality. Like, don't try to cook your stories as this thing I have said in my previous video also, that whatever you are the part of the same, don't try to create any story where you are not the part of the same. Just focus on your originality and stay natural. Third step is to have speech clarity. Whatever you are speaking, speech clarity is very much required and it gives the great effectiveness as well as impression it creates. Next one, you are having that whatever you have learned on the basis of your skills, on the basis of your experiences, just try to focus on the same and deliver your answers, because it looks very natural and it gives the exact impression that what kind of personality you are having. And the last one is just follow the sure short questions, like wherever you feel like whatever my particular field is there, so I should prepare those sure short questions, because if we have not done that one, it means we have not done anything. We have not prepared ourselves for facing particular challenges. Now you have to be very specific about following step process. I will let you know 7 steps which are to be followed. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई, जो भी मैंने खुद अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के बेस पे, अपने स्ट्रगल्स के बेस पे एंड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिसर्च विच आई हैव डन, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आई एम लेटिंग यू नो द 7 टेक्निक्स जो बहुत सिक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में है, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फॉलोइंग these steps you can prepare your sample answer. Make sure आप अपनी लैंग्वेज यूज़ करेंगे, आप अपना प्रोफाइल को अपने अकॉर्डिंगली सेटअप करेंगे, बट you can take the help from this sequential order. First of all, as soon as you enter into the room, you are going to offer formal greetings like what time of day it is, like good morning, good noon, good evening or good afternoon. Then you are going to follow it with Thanksgiving message like thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself in front of this prestigious institution. Now I am Shalini, my name is Shalini or my name is Shalini. Myself वाला जो concept है completely wrong grammar structure है which you are not supposed to follow. I am originally from Delhi क्योंकि मैंने अपना origin बताया कि to which particular place I belong to. Then at present I am at Faridabad, a cosmopolitan city of our country. And now you can see that here I have used the term cosmopolitan, as I have told you in the beginning itself कि cosmopolitan और metropolitan जो terms हैं that will be elaborately explained to you in my upcoming video. But आप एक specific terms को use कर सकते हैं because it gives very good impressive style of yours. And then first and the foremost technique, one of the best methods is to follow the concept जिसमें बहुत से students या बहुत से जो job profile वाले लोग हैं they are facing the problem. So आप present, past और future वाली जो technique है उसको follow करेंगे. Like आपका latest क्या trend है, like where are you presently working or you are having any experience, you have done your graduation, you have done your studies and all that. Then oldest one and last one जो आपके future prospects है या आपके कुछ further plans है that also you can mention. Next में आपका 6 point रहेगा extra skills and what are the specific different features or different characteristics of your nature and why that person is going to hire you. What extra skills, what extra talent you are having so that the person is going to hire you and you are perfectly fit for the job. And if you feel that the person is willing to listen more about you, then you can give slight description of your family and don't elaborate it too much because it all depends कि you are going to prepare your introduction of approximately 1 to 1.5 minutes because this is more than sufficient. अगर आपके पास इतना matter होता है तो and if the person asks then you are supposed to introduce yourself within 30 to 40 minutes. तो आप अपने accordingly उसको expand या contract बहुत easily कर सकते हैं because you are getting multiple ideas. You have prepared your answers in a very detailed explanation. Okay. Now if you are having a student job profile, आप एक fresher की तरह आप अपने आप को proceed कर रहे हैं. So this will be the sample answer और sample description है which you can follow the language. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself before you. I am Shalini, originally from Delhi, but at present I reside at Faridabad, a cosmopolitan city. Now I am telling my present, then afterwards past and related with that future prospects. और आपने एक चीज़ को माइंड में रखना है, बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक है, बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट है. लाइक जो भी आपका प्रोफाइल है, जो भी आपका सब्जेक्ट है, जो भी आपका कोर्स है, उससे रिलेटेड आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स व्हाई आई एम परसुइंग दिस कोर्स और व्हाई आई हैव डन दिस वन. तो व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स यू हैव गॉट इट फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. सो आई एम परसुइंग या जो आप प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हैं वो आप बता सकते हैं. अदरवाइज आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड माई मास्टर्स इन इंग्लिश फ्रॉम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. ओके, इफ़ यू फील दैट योर मार्क्स आर वेरी अट्रैक्टिव वन देन यू कैन मेंशन इट. अदरवाइज नो नीड, नो रिक्वायरमेंट. नो डाउट एंड मोर ओवर फर्दर मोर इन वर्ड से आपकी वोकेबलरी थोड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग लगती है और थोड़ा सा एक इम्प्रेसिव स्टाइल लगता है. I really enjoyed while reading variety of fiction, prose, poems, drama and more of different time period or era. Era का meaning होता है time period. Moreover, it had been a miraculous experience of having vast imaginative skills along with enriching 4 skills. Like हमारे इंग्लिश में होते हैं जैसे LSRW. आप देखेंगे मैंने यहाँ पर इन स्पेसिफिक टर्म्स में जो मैंने अपनी पहले ये बताया कि व्हाट आई हैव डन, व्हाट इज़ माई प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन और व्हाट इज़ माई अकेडमिक अचीवमेंट, उसके बाद आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल कि व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द सेम। लाइक आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट कि डिफरेंट जो कलेक्शन है उनको मैंने इन्जॉय किया और मेरी इमेजिनेटिव स्किल इंक्रीज़ हुई। जो हमारे इंग्लिश में लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग 4 सेक्शंस आर देयर, दैट आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट। मोर ओवर मेरा जो लाइफ के लिए नज़रिया है, जो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है, वो बहुत ब्रॉडन हुआ एंड आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड माई सेल्फ अ लॉट। ओके, देन फर्दर मोर यू विल टॉक अबाउट योर स्किल्स में आप अपनी एक्स्ट्रा क्वालिटीज़ बताएंगे। लाइक आई हैव मेंशन आई एम हैविंग एन इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, आई एम वेरी assertive means very confident enough, inquisitive, the person who is very eager to learn new things, okay, new prospects, जो जिनको न्यू prospects को अंडरस्टैंड करना, उसको अडेप्ट करना, द पर्सन इज़ ग्रेटली विलिंग फॉर द same, and problem solving approach, problem solving attitude, and all these things you can mention. And if you are being asked about your giving family description, then you can talk about your family composition. Now we are moving towards professional job profile. If you are an experienced person and you are looking to have better opportunities, then you can have the sample answer. Good morning. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself before you. I am Shalini, originally from Delhi, a metropolitan city. You will see that I have used 2 specific terms, metropolitan and cosmopolitan. Thoda sa as a sort of surprise is there for you that you are going to learn these 2 specific terms, but make sure that you are going to follow this sample answer. This sort of language you can easily use and you can prepare your appropriate and effective answer or effective introduction. I have been in teaching profession for the last 20 years and now at present I am talking about my present scenario. No doubt I really enjoyed while reading variety of fiction, prose, drama of different era. It had been a miraculous or wonderful experience of having vast imaginative skills, enriching vocabulary, including or getting proficiency in LSRW. Okay, so here I have given the detailed explanation of what are the benefits which I have gained by learning this particular course or by learning this particular language. तो आप अपने make sure that you are going to write down approximately 3 to 5 अपने course, अपने topic, अपने subject और curriculum से related आपके पास full fledged benefits होने चाहिए. Okay, then I have also mentioned that moreover it has broadened my attitude towards life and my perspective towards life is completely changed. At a professional level पे if you are connected with any sort of internship अगर आपने कोई की है, you are having the expertise in accounts, finance, digital animated course, then application based project, आपने किसी भी any particular term से related where you have worked and you feel कि आपका कोई specific इसमें experience है और you have given your contribution in the particular organization या किसी particular टीम के साथ आपने जॉब प्रोफाइल में वर्क किया है, सो दीज थिंग यू कैन मेंशन एंड स्पेशल रोल इन रिप्यूटेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड मैनी मोर. ओके, वेयर यू हैव गिवन योर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. इट शोज़ कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर रेगुलर टास्क यू आर हैविंग द कैलिबर कि आप बाकी चीज़ों को भी ईजिली मैनेज कर सकते हैं. Now sometimes it is being asked, so describe about your strength or weakness. So you can have this language. As each and every individual possesses some strength or weaknesses, so am I. So if you are a fresher, you can say I am a fresher but I am looking for an opportunity. I am assertive, confident or inquisitive. Inquisitive as I have told, जिसका meaning होता है eager to learn something new or new aspects. And I am having problem solving attitude with positive approach towards life. I do have effective communication skills which enhances my personality. और अगर हम weakness की बात करते हैं तो you can mention your ideas like sometimes I feel I am having less confidence or I feel hesitant. I do procrastination. Procrastination का meaning होता है delaying of things. बट आप उसको ये ज़रूर मेंशन करेंगे दैट डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू मेंशन दैट हाउ यू आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग योर वीकनेस इनटू स्ट्रेंथ। आपकी जो वीकनेसेस हैं आप उन पे कैसे वर्क कर रहे हैं और अपनी प्रॉब्लम को कैसे रिजॉल्व कर रहे हैं। देन यू कैन से बट विद माई रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस, persistent approach and dedication, I can prove my worth. Okay, so make sure that you are going to focus the most relevant strategies for just 1 week practice. So it's true to say that keep practicing and you can attain your any desired goal or any specific aim in your life. You can follow the strategies, you can follow the sample answer, but make sure you are going to use your own experiences, you are going to use your own skills. So this is all about this particular session, and now we will be meeting soon in my forthcoming video. If you are having the interest in my content, in my ideas, in my expression, and you feel that you are learning something new and creative every time, so hit the bell icon in order to get the regular updates of such interesting videos. So this is the end of this session. See you soon in my next upcoming video.